What's going on, guys? I'm here with another video, and I just want to explain to you my washing method for my Focus RS. I wash my car about 3 times a week, and these are the chemicals that I use. I only trust chemical guys. Mr. Pink, this is honestly one of the best soaps I ever experienced. I have a lot of experience with like Adams, polishes, and I don't get the amount of suds as I do in my foam cannon as Mr. Pink. And next is that Honeydew. I'm getting that Honeydew. For my wheel regimen, I use Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner Signature Series. It's a great wheel cleaner. Gets everything off, brake dust, any contaminants, you name it. I use my 2-bucket method. I stress enough, 2-bucket method, guys. If you don't want to scratch your paint, this is honestly the best way to do it. Now for my foam cannon, I use about, Chemical Guys recommends, I think, 2 to 3 ounces, and then fill it up. As you can see, I already foamed the car down, so I'm gonna do it again for you guys. But I normally fill it up with Mr. Pink about, I usually go a little bit more because I like my washers a little bit more sudsy. And yeah, let's get into it. A little bit into my wash bucket. What's going on, guys? Back again. After I just foamed down the car, I like to go ahead and now with my wash mitt, microfiber always, go ahead, it's straight lines. You're just gonna want to do straight lines from the top to the bottom. Straight lines. You don't flip it over, must. Once again, now dump your microfiber into a wash bucket. Now again with the soap, you're gonna want to keep going in straight lines, straight lines. Flip it. Gonna do the whole hood. Like that. Wash the bottom to the top. a nice wet shine, and it protects against like rain or whatever. It does bead. It does bead. Thank you guys for watching, and more coming soon.